the executive must do better. I know, as an authority in finance, it is not possible to tax people even on their disposable net salary. I have no problem with the 3% housing levy, but we have asked ourselves, if, for example, and I want you to do simple mathematics, assume you are Kenyan and you earn 100,000, and there are very few Kenyans who earn that kind of money. If you earn 100,000 and the Kenya government takes 3% of your salary, mathematicians who are here, you know that 3% of 100,000 is 3,000 per month. In a year, 3,000 times 12, 360,000. 36,000. If every year is 36,000, and they want you to buy a house, affordable house, then in a year, it means you'll contribute or you'll save 360,000 in 10 years. In 20 years, 306,000 times 2 is 720,000. Assuming you are 50 years like Principal Kariuki here. It means for you to save 720,000 to get an affordable house, you will work for 20 years. Mr. Kariuki, I know you will retire at 60. So at 70, you don't be working. So where will you be getting that money for you to get that affordable housing? So we are telling the president, Mr. President, you have beautiful ideas, but this is the wrong time. And again, we are telling him, you cannot force people to save and buy houses. These parents here, if you ask them, do you want a house or you want food on your table? They will say they want what? Food on the table. So we are telling him, please give Kenyans time. And I think it's important for you to listen to Kenyans. Your ideas are good, but don't force them on Kenyans. Now, when you look at the finance bill, it is not just a finance bill. I have said you must look into the details. The devil is the details of finance bill 2023. It says 20% excise duty on fertilizers. That means the fertilizer will be expensive for the distributors. Then the distributors will pass it to the farmer. That means the fertilizer you are saying is cheap, it will go up. It says 16% if you've had an accident. I saw Britain here. If you have an accident and you are paid money because you have injuries, that finance bill will take 16% of that money. For example, if you are paid 100 million, it means 160 million will be taken from you and you get 840. It goes on and on. And it says if you earn more than 500,000, like me here, he will charge me a further 35% on my disposable income. It also says on mobile money transfers, they are going to charge 15%. That means every time you send money on M-Pesa, they take away 15% of your money. When you receive 15%, my friends, this is not an ASRA finance bill. I am requesting and I'm urging all my colleagues in Parliament, let us defeat this finance bill the moment it is tabled in the House. We should reject it on tabling and tell the President, wait a moment until Kenyan economy becomes stable. We cannot allow this. And I want to tell you, watu wa Mavoko, mmenipatia support for long. Mimi nataka niwashukuru wazazi ambao mko hapa. Najua